This is why you need streamlined designs to cut manufacturing costs and boost efficiency. In the manufacturing game, efficiency is king. Simplifying designs not only trims machining time, but also slashes material waste. Here are practical tips to make your designs lean and cost-effective. First up, minimize part count. Fewer parts mean fewer operations, direct cost savings. Can you combine components or ditch non-critical features? Do it. Next, standardize components. Standard parts are cheaper and easier to source. Inventory common parts and leverage bulk purchasing. Opt for modular design. Create products in modules for easier assembly, maintenance, and upgrades. Enhance manufacturability. Design parts with less complex operations in mind. Think DFM principles to simplify production. And finally, reduce material usage. Optimize designs to use less material without losing quality. Use thin wall design and topology optimization. Streamline your designs and watch your production costs plummet. Ready to boost efficiency and save? Let's get to it.